Now, Susan would like to know, she would like to know, after you get a patent, how often do you need to pay the USPTO maintenance fees?
Okay, yeah, wonderful question. Again, it goes back to the two types of patents. Design patents do not have maintenance fees. So if you're protecting the unique look of your invention, there's no protection needed. There's no maintenance fees to keep it live. If it's a utility patent, which means it's the function of the idea, then you have to pay maintenance fees after 3.5, 7.5, and 12 and 11.5 years. So you do have maintenance fees that are paid for utility patents.